Bitcoin money generally is a mid-position digital money at present valued at $217.59 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,244,814,218, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Throughout the course of recent years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in a kind of significant way. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a fundamentally large way. Retail financial backers and dealers are by and large keen on digital currencies, genuinely, for example, BCH on the grounds that this is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources in a real sense have the for the most part potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat kind of brief time frame. Incredibly, these profits by and large are somewhat unreachable in different business sectors, which in every way that really matters is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones dedicate a huge part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, or so they thought. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $217.59. Where it right now sits in opposition to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, BCH is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the genuinely metric that's still up in the air, by duplicating the really current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization really remains at $4,244,814,218. The significance of this boundary will in a real sense, but explicitly made sense of later. Our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned so that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently truly survey the condition of their portfolio and conclude whether it generally needs to be reconfigured in an unpretentious manner. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which for the most part is really key for the kind of right assessment of both extremely current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future bearing in a significant manner. Beneath you will explicitly find extremely key portions of this verifiable information, with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market in a real sense is going in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on September 18, BCH was esteemed at $209.66 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Explicitly recollect that digital forms of money for the most part are exchanged day in and day out. So every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period by and large, added up to 2.17%. 7 days prior, on September 12, Bitcoin money was exchanged at $183.78 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in every practical sense, near its genuinely present position, which is genuinely huge. On August 19, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $186.94. The cost level that explicitly is at the distance of 16.39% from where it at present stands, or so they for the most part thought. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts. Market capitalization is another significant by and large metric that assists traders with fundamentally deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. It's likewise used to evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the whole digital currency market. The equation for the computation of market capitalization is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to generally is duplicated by its truly current cost in a really significant manner, As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH most certainly remains at $4,244,814,218, enough to name it the 20th, practically the biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on September 18th, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money especially remained at $4,089,826,535. 7 days prior, on September 12th, the capitalization of BCH was $3,583,911,136, or so for the most part thought. A month prior, on August 19th, how much sort of capital streaming around this sort of specific market essentially added up to $3,640,774,598. Most cryptographic money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an exceptionally certain digital currency and its capacity to basically endure disturbances, which are the normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. It is evident that the really previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to arrange it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the generally safe gathering, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Since we essentially have previously referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization, it would generally be somewhat proper to especially give a piece of this report to the stock of BCH, which is very critical for essentially your data. There are three kinds of supply for practically every digital currency: the kind of greatest stock, and that implies the quantity of coins that would truly be created on a by and large specific blockchain, all through its presence; the truly complete inventory, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the task; the coursing supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use in all things considered, different words that for the most part are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The greatest inventory of Bitcoin money by and large is 21,000,000 BCH. The especially absolute stockpile of BCH as of now remains at 19,508,694 coins. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey certainly is 19,508,694 BCH in an unobtrusive manner. This Bitcoin money cost forecast wouldn't be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the exceptionally metric utilized by essentially all digital currency brokers to really affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which is genuinely critical. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain sort of is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there basically is a by and large high likelihood that this move in every practical sense is impractical and would for the most part bring about a bullish snare, which generally is genuinely critical. Consequently, it is vital to dissect the especially past and the genuinely current exchanging volume of BCH requests to, for the most part, comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market for the most part was enlisted at $195,385